Hi everyone, welcome to SED 708 Ethics and Professional Conduct. I just wanted to record a quick video welcoming you to the class. I am looking forward to a fun and informative course this session. Ethics is not black and white. There is a lot of gray area, and what we're really going to focus on this course is taking ethical scenarios and applying the guidance we're given so that we can make ethical decisions in our practice. We're going to be referring to the documentation provided to us, the laws, rules, regulations, competency, and guidance codes through our profession. A couple housekeeping notes I just wanted to talk about. I do not have formal office hours, but if you need to meet with me either by phone, Zoom meeting, or Google Hangouts, please email me and we can absolutely set up a time to do that. It's not a problem at all. In general, I will respond within 24 hours to your emails. The only exceptions might be on Saturdays and Sundays. It would be a bit more delayed. I'm going to always try to have the course content available to you on Saturdays by noon whenever possible. Throughout the course, please keep in touch and email me as needed. I'm looking forward to working with you and want to be able to support you in any way that you need. I look forward to a great session. Thanks.